Hello, and welcome to this in-depth tutorial on how to notify tenants their parcels have arrived. There's two options. Firstly, you can simply type in their name, select, and then notify them by scanning the QR codes available. And then finish. You confirm. Or you can use our latest and coolest technology, which basically uses the phone camera to detect the tenant's name and uniquely identify the parcel. Now, what you got to be careful with is that not all barcodes or QR codes for unique identifications of parcels are scannable. So if they're not scannable, you just got to write a number by hand using a Sharpie onto the parcel and then just enter that manually into the fields. So for example, here you can see at the bottom there's an identifier number. You can enter a number here manually. However, we're not going to do that. Instead, we're going to scan the parcel QR codes, and it's really fast once again, and you will hear a beep which confirms that it's a correct type of scan. There you go, and it sent off a notification. So what we suggest you do is once you've scanned in the parcels, we suggest you arrange the parcels by room number. What this allows you to do is actually find the parcels really quickly, and another thing we suggest you do is you have two sections for parcels. You have one section for smaller parcels, which are again arranged by room. This might be one shelf. And then you have another few shelves for bigger or larger parcels. And these also are arranged by room. Awesome. Thank you very much. And if you have any questions, don't hesitate to contact us.